This is a short, quick video to introduce you to Kaggle. If you have been using Hugging Face, then you will also appreciate Kaggle. Kaggle is primarily a sort of competitor to Hugging Face, but it provides a lot more things. But this is not to say that Hugging Face is not good. Still, my favorite is Hugging Face, but Kaggle is bridging the gap pretty rapidly. And as you know, in technology, there are no favorites. It's all about the value. Anyways, Kaggle is a data science and AI platform. In on this platform, you can have your own data sets, you can have your own models, and you can access pre-existing models too. Kaggle was founded in 2010 by Anthony Goldblum and Ben Hamner, but around 6 years ago, in 2017, Google acquired Kaggle. So I'm more than sure that if you attend any Google event, and these days, whenever Google is talking about generative AI and pitching out their services like Vertex AI, Model Garden, and stuff like that, you will hear Kaggle a lot more, and Google will try to get accustomed to Kaggle. And it is good too, it's not as bad as you would think. Another good thing about Kaggle is that you can have your data sets on Kaggle, but you would need some licensing if you're not using the free ones. But you can download each shared data set free of charge to your Kaggle notebook or anywhere else via the Kaggle API. Also, in Kaggle notebooks, which is my favorite feature in the Kaggle by the way, you can activate a GPU at any time. You are allowed to use the GPU actively for a maximum of 30 hours per week. The GPU provided by Kaggle is NVIDIA Tesla P100 GPU with around 16 GB of memory. Now, if you look at your screen, this is how the Kaggle looks like. All you need is your email. I'm currently logged in with my Gmail account. Once you logged in, you can check out the data sets, your own notebooks, and another thing is that you can even compete in the contests for prize money. You can take part of the discussion around models, and another good thing is that there are also some free learning courses which you can do by taking a short course. Let me show you the models here. So on the left hand side, click on models, and then maybe let's search out for some models. Let's go with the llama. So I just searched llama, and then this is our llama. Click here, and this is the card for llama 2 model. Now you can open this in a new notebook, or you can um, open it in the Vertex AI, which is a Google's service for generative AI. And then there are a lot more detail here which you can check. You can also take part in the discussion here on Kaggle. And then there are a lot of other things. People have made some notebooks which you can use. You can add your own notebook, and it's fairly cool. And then similarly, as I said that if you click on learn, you can do a lot of good courses here free of charge around Python, SQL, pandas, time series, a lot of other things which you can explore at leisure. I will drop the link to Kaggle in video's description. If you already are using Kaggle, please share your experience. And if you have any other questions, please post them in the comments and I'll try to answer them. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.